This is an image file from older Corel software. Modern CorelDraw might still import it, but standard photo viewers won't. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to convert it. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky CPD errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. The CPD file extension is associated with two distinct file types: CorelDraw, drawing files, and script files. CorelDraw uses CPD to store drawings, illustrations, and page layouts created within the software. Script files using the CPD extension contain code or instructions for various applications, potentially including CorelDraw itself for automating tasks or adding functionality. CorelDraw CPD files are structured according to Corel's proprietary format, incorporating vector graphics, bitmaps, text, and object properties. Script CPD files contain plain text or binary code adhering to the syntax and structure required by the interpreter or application that executes them. The specific format depends on the scripting language used. Your primary troubleshooting tool for CPD should be the specialized CorelDraw by Corel Corporation. Windows can read the file's external properties, but not the internal data structure. Windows cannot interpret or manipulate page geometry, so proper handling depends on layout tools. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your CPD file and select Open With. If CorelDraw is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If you cannot access the CPD file, no problem. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the CPD problem to one of three basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, use Corel Application. Open the file using Corel Project Designer or an associated Corel Suite application. Next, open as text. If a database cache file, open the .cpd file in a text editor to view the raw content. Finally, check for corruption. If the file is a cache, delete the file and allow the associated program to automatically regenerate a clean copy. When standard associations break, it's typically because the CPD label is being used by an uncommon or proprietary application. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn CPD formats. When troubleshooting fails, File Magic steps in. Its unique ability to instantly render a preview of the CPD file, even with archive errors, makes it essential. Find the tool at filemagic.com. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.